How are you doing today, everyone? Hopefully everyone's having a good day. I'm gonna show you today the amazing Tony Hawk Claw by Powell Peralta. My one is a reissue. I used to have an OG, but couldn't resist selling it. So we'll have a look at this reissue here in detail. And it's also been featured here in Cleaver's book. 1989. Alright, this is the reissue. As many of Tony's decks, they're quite large. Nice shape to it. Very little concave. There's this condom nose shape, which is then a lot more exaggerated in the medallion. So in this reissue, it's a Bones Brigade reissue from 1216 with a golden dragon on top. Now the first thing you may or may not notice is that actually in the branches here there's a skull camouflaged. Hopefully you can see it. Here are the eyes of the skull. The level of detail of this graphic is spectacular. Just look at all the little notches on the tree branches. That amazing claw, bird claw. And we're listening to When Words Mean Nothing by ADRIATIC. Check out all the description links if you want to get any ADRIATIC music. Here's the other little buried secret, a skeleton in the backyard. Absolutely incredible graphic. Hopefully you enjoyed. Have a good day.